as you see, the stone is being used quite a bit. There is cuts, there is not really striked there, and it just needs refreshing surface. So it's quite simple. You need glass, you need some aluminium oxide stone. Cheaper the better. I got tsprof 600. I will see, that's the 600, 800, 400 is the what you want to use on them. And micellar water. This is a cheap one. Just simply put that on glass. Grab the aluminum oxide stone. Make the aluminum oxide little bit, leave something on the glass. Some dirt. As soon you get something like a milky, that's enough. And then grab your alpha. Mine is 5.3, which is quite bad. Do it in eighths, do it in rounds, do it rounds opposite. Try to keep our glass surface used as possible to last longer. Otherwise you make the hole in the glass if you keep in middle. Don't apply pressure. As you see already, middle is cleaned out. A part of the where is the deep cuts. Deep cuts I'm not even hoping to go away in one go. Then just keep going away. It's just a little bit. I will not go all the way, because anyway, mostly what I use is the middle part. So this corner, the edges, really it's almost okay already. That's even close enough to what I'm happy with. And to blast and slide around on the table, I just put tissue underneath and put some water on it.